Hi, hello and namaskaram. Welcome to another video of Fine Dining Indian. Hi from Bobby. So in this recipe, leftover idiyappam. Idiyappam is another way called string hoppers. So that's turned into upma. It can be made with sooji, rice, rava. A string hopper upma. So if you have any leftover string hoppers, that's idiyappam in Malayalam. That we're going to turn into a upma with quail egg. Okay, heat the pan. Let's say 1 tablespoon of oil, or even less than that. We're going to put mustard seeds to crack. I'm putting some roasted chickpeas, some ginger chopped or julliene you can put, some onions, green chilli. Just mix it. Throw in some curry leaves, touch of turmeric. That's it. Now adding the hoppers, a bit of water. Allow the string hoppers to get it soft, and then we can add salt. Reduce down to a slow fire. If you need more moist, add a bit more water. Check the seasoning, nicely seasoned. Just spread it. Now what I'm going to do, pour in the quail egg. So I'm just making 3 spots for the quail egg. What my idea is to serve in the pan itself. So I'm just putting some onion tomato masala. So make a round, like you can place a quail egg here. Now I'm going to crack the quail eggs. Allow it to cook. Just slightly bring the flame up. Check for any shell that's fallen. Just remove it carefully. If you want to cover it up, you can cover it and then cook. But I want that yellow not to be covered. You need to see it. So I added butter next to the egg. So cook it on slow so it doesn't get dry. The egg gets cooked. And if you need a bit more moisture, add a touch of water from the side. So now you can see the eggs are cooked. The white is visible. Adjust leftover string hoppers to a nice breakfast dish. Nice. You can see the egg. You can, if you want, you can lift it up too. But I just want to serve it like this. Okay, so for finishing off, we can put some walnuts that we made before in hand. So that gives added crunch and texture. Some of the fried chickpea too, spiced chickpeas. Some pickled ginger that's kept in the beetroot pickle water. For garnish, I have some pickled onions. I like to have it. So slight sourness coming through will be nice. So let's try how it tastes like. I'll take a bit. Not to spoil the egg. It's still nice, moist. Crunchiness from the chickpeas and the nuts. The onion is still crunchy. That's well good, but it's still it's cooked properly. Nice combo. Alright, so you had fun making idiyappam upma, string hopper upma along with me with quail egg. It's an amazing addition. Let me know your feedback. Subscribe to us, watch our other videos, click the bell icon. Thank you and bye from Bobby.